This is problem 9-2. For those of you that haven't read through this problem quickly, do that now, put me on pause. I'm going to hit the high points on this problem. There are 3 figures involved in this problem. They are all pictures of or diagrams of parallel lines cut by a transversal. When parallel lines are cut by a transversal, several angles are formed, and we're going to look at specific angle pairs. So that's 2 angles for each of these. What we are asked for in A, down below here, is to find the measure of angles BD, FK, RS. So for this figure, that's angle B and angle D. We're going to take a look at how to find those now. Here is the same figure, figure 1, on the resource page. And we are looking for B. That's the first one. We're supposed to use what we know about straight angles to find that. So what we know about straight angles is straight angles are basically a straight line. And the measure of straight angles is 180 degrees. Let's see how we can use that. So in this case, we've got 2 angles, which if we add them together, they make a straight angle, 180 degrees. So A and B together make a straight angle. We know what one of these is, which is 170. So if I trace this quickly, all right, so this is angle A, and it measures 107 degrees. So that's from here to here. I know that the total angle measures, so from here to here, 180 degrees. So to find this little section right here, which is angle B, all I need to do is subtract 107 from 180 and see what's left over. And what's left over when we do that is 73 degrees. So that's how we use straight angles to find the missing angle in this case. So we know that B now is 73 degrees. Now we need to find D. D, if we add it to E, is another straight angle on this line M. I'm going to retrace that. And move it away. Okay, so this is E, and we know that E is 73 degrees. So that's this little section right here. But I know that the complete section, which goes from here all the way to here, is 180 degrees. So to find this section here, which is angle D, I need to subtract 73 from 180. So when I do that, I get 107 degrees. So now we know that D is 107 degrees. One more thing that I'd like you to notice is that if we look at these 2 angles, notice the measurements. So on the first parallel line cut by this transversal, A, the angle on top, is 107 degrees. If we look down to the second parallel line cut by this transversal, we see D, the angle that's sitting on top of the parallel line, is also 107 degrees. If we look at the one that's underneath the transversal or the parallel line or inside the parallel lines, we see that it's 73 degrees. And then if we look at this one, which is also underneath this parallel line, it's 73 degrees.